Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
President Donald Trump said on Wednesday he is imposing reciprocal tariffs to match duties put on US goods by other countries, in a move that ratchets up a trade war that he kicked off on his return to the White House. US stock indexes finished higher after a choppy trading session on Wednesday, falling early and then rebounding as investors made last-minute bets to position themselves ahead of US President Donald Trump's sweeping tariff announcements that came later in the day. Social cryptocurrency project Pi Network's price approaches all-time lows as more and more coins are unlocked. Data shows that Pi Network is trading at very close to its all-time low. The price action comes as over 126.6 million Pi tokens are expected to be unlocked this month.
The euro-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The sterling-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
This week's economic calendar brings a lineup of key reports that vary in importance. Market participants should remain alert as these events may trigger significant price movements and affect trading conditions across major asset classes. As we await these data points, it's wise to prepare for the market's reaction. Volatility may arise, presenting both challenges and opportunities for informed investors.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.